Good evening from Memphis. It's 9:20 p.m. on April 2nd, Friday, April 2nd, and I'm out in the vacant parking lot outside my apartment. And I'm going to attempt to video the winter hexagon. I'm going to start off here with Orion. Actually, I'll start here with Sirius. That's the brightest star in the sky. Sirius, the dog star. S-I-R-I-U-S, as in Sirius Radio. That one's more than bright enough to see with my cell phone camera. And if I go to the right of Sirius is Orion. And we can see one of Orion's stars, but I'm going to zoom in. We might be able to pick up the belt. That is Orion's belt, those three bright stars there. Zoom in a little bit more, now I'll zoom back out. What I really wanted to try to get was, in addition to the winter hexagon, Mars. But just to the upper right of the screen, we've got the northernmost star of the winter hexagon, that's Capella. Mars would be in the center of the screen. May not be bright enough to pick up, but I'm going to zoom in and see if we can get it. That appears to be Mars right in the center of the screen. If we pan down slightly to its lower left, got Aldebaran, which is the same color as Mars, a very orangish reddish color. And it's in the constellation Taurus, the bull. Now we'll zoom up here. Actually, there's a good view of, we've got both Mars and Aldebaran. There's Aldebaran and there's Mars. I'm zoomed in quite a bit here. Let me see. It looks like about 3 or 4 times. Actually, about 5 times. I've zoomed back out to 3 times. A couple more things here. If we look straight up overhead, we might be able to get Castor and Pollux. That's the Gemini twins. They're the northeastmost corner of the hexagon. And turning a little bit to the south, we've got Procyon, which is coming through quite nicely. That is the easternmost star of the winter hexagon. And then back down to Sirius. Let's see, I've zoomed in. Yeah, it was about 3 times. I'm going to zoom back out now. When I zoom all the way out, looks like the only star that's really visible is Sirius, but let's try Procyon again. Just barely visible. And the Gemini twins are difficult to see when I'm zoomed all the way out. But in any case, I just wanted to try to make a video of the winter hexagon as it gradually recedes to the west as the Earth moves to the east. And this is the 2nd of April, 2021 in Memphis.